Hey everyone, this is me, Chrono, and I'm here with a little something different. As my video has been doing lately, they're all been different. So what different is, well, it's kind of something might be relatable. As in, well, it's still morning, so and I just woke up, so let's have some breakfast. And I went in my kitchen and get some breakfast, and I found something. Oh no! It is a donuts that has sour cream on it. Well, here it is. Look like a normal donut, but apparently the glaze is a glazed sour cream donut, and like, well, why not? I'm gonna try it. So we're gonna do a taste test. Yeah, this might not be good, and I will tell you, I have not tried this type of donut before. Never have. I don't even know what sour cream even tastes like. Anyway, before I get started, I would just like saying like, I got some interesting feedbacks from my last video. So I'm gonna try to do something again. And it's a plug-in again. This time it's another friend of mine. And go by the name of the Gaming Potato. She is kind of doing what I'm basically doing right now, doing random things, and just see how things go. So go over, check her videos out, subscribe, like, comment, share everything. Just like I said with the last video with Weird Noah. They're good friends of mine. I just want, and it doesn't seem like they're getting a lot of views or a lot of support that they need. So go over, give them as much love as you can possibly give them. So it's over right now. Time for the fucking donut. Oh yeah, people have been wondering if my show is kid friendly. Fuck no, it's not. I will cuss. But time for the donut. I'm just really nervous. Just smell like a normal donut, I guess. Well, why not just... Why not? Hey, you want to smell? How does it smell? Does it smell good? Probably does. But anyway, let's get this going. Going in 3, 2, 1. I might be reading the package wrong, but where it said sour cream. Doesn't taste sour. Just tastes like a normal donut, but in the first bite, it tastes bitter. I literally thought I was going to have a bigger overreaction. It's going to taste terrible. I literally have snacks and drinks all over me just to help me get rid of the taste. But I guess I was wrong. Hold on, let me double check. like I've been lied to. It's one of those things like they say. It's like one of those things where people just tell you things, and like you believe it until at some point you're like, but at some point you're just like, I don't think the person's telling the truth. This is what I feel like with this donut. It does not taste sour at all. There's no hint of sour. I can fix it. If anyone knows what this is, you are really my friend. I lied about it being sour, so I'm fixing it. Now I made it so that it will not be enjoyable by anyone. Ooh. Age old question: does mixing sour and sweet be any good? Well, let's see. There's this. Yep. Yep. There is a sour, and I enjoy it. I'm probably gonna be eating the fuck out of this donut now. But before I leave off, like I said, leave off, I'm gonna have a little announcement later on tonight, possibly later tonight or some other days. I'm going to be something very different I want to try out and see how it goes. It involves me being a new character, a character that you guys have not seen yet, and it's a new character that I'm trying out. Hopefully, it will do. You guys will like it, but I'm trying to set things up, or at least try to get everything done, because I need to do something before I'm able to do this. So you might have to wait a while, possibly, but hope you enjoyed my other plugin, and hope that you enjoy me eating a donut that might be lying to me. But yep. So with that out of the way, I'm Chrono Yagami, and I'm telling you, it's okay to be stupid. It can be fun. See y'all next time.